Sakshi Narkani, welcome all of you. We are truly pleased to have all of you for a listing ceremony of Earkart Limited, a very significant milestone for the company. May I please request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Once again, good morning to all of you. We are gathered here today for the listing ceremony of Earkart Limited. Earkart Limited was established in 2021 to address hearing loss. Rohit Mishra is the chairman and promoter of the company. Company manufactures and distributes modern hearing aids and related accessories at affordable prices across India. Along with their own manufacturing hearing aid, they also trade in hearing aid parts and accessories of other brands manufactured in India and abroad. They offer hearing solutions through their network of partners and clinics across India, which sell both domestic and global hearing and aid brands. Their focus is on Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, where they aim to bridge the accessibility gap using innovative delivery models like branded kiosks and dedicated telehealth services. They provide patients with hearing aid dispensers and access to a wide variety of other products, including those manufactured, assembled by them, and international brands. Their mission is to provide patients with the right hearing solutions and service, reaching even the most remote areas of India. Now, can we please have the AV of Earkart Limited?
In September 2021, a vision was born. A vision to transform the hearing care landscape for millions of underserved individuals. That vision became Earkart Private Limited. Today, Earkart stands as a trailblazer in the world of hearing care, combining innovation, technology, and compassion. From the very beginning, Earkart was driven by purpose. In May 2021, within a month of incorporation, the company secured startup and MSME approval from the multi-ministerial board, laying the foundation for a journey that would redefine the industry. Soon enough, Earkart secured a seed investment of Rs 50 lakh, a key milestone that provided the essential resources to propel its journey forward. The introduction of the Earkart CRM and dealer app underscored the company's dedication to harnessing technology for empowering hearing care providers. By November, commercial operations had begun, supported by extensive newspaper campaigns and multiple angel funding rounds. The result? Over 500 dealers joined the lead generation program within months.
Our journey has been of resilience and relentless innovation. At Earkart, we are solving some of the unsolved challenges for decades. With cutting-edge innovations in technology support, we are going to set the ball rolling in a way that will change the hearing healthcare space worldwide, not only in India. What are we going to change? We are going to make things in hearing healthcare affordable, accessible to everybody, not only for the privileged ones, across the world, across the globe, for every single person, with simple technology innovations.
A revolutionary moment in Earkart's journey came when it developed and applied for a patent for the world's first remote video audiometry device. A breakthrough that redefined accessibility in hearing diagnostics. This was just the beginning. Production soon surpassed 100,000 units annually, followed by a Rs 1.3 crore profit. With trust from investors like Agility, Bloom, and Z21, Earkart secured its first institutional funding, fueling dreams and expanding into a larger dynamic space. The company achieved another milestone with the prestigious ISO 13485 2016 certification, solidifying its commitment to quality.
Financial sustainability has always been a cornerstone of our strategy. From an idea to a profitable venture, our focus has always been creating a long-term value. We are committed to true, fair and timely reporting of financial statement and ensure corporate governance.
2024 was a year of groundbreaking innovation. Earkart unveiled OMNI, the world's first remote video audiometry device, followed by launches in optical and ENT models, strengthening its portfolio.
So the world has been suffering with a very complex problem of having lack of audiologists all across the globe. Earkart came up with a very simple solution by developing the world's first remote video audiometry device, OMNI, through which we can perform the hearing test anywhere in the world by the audiologist sitting in the head office or maybe at their own homes.
By December, over 1,500 dealers and more than 10,000 appointments highlighted the company's growing presence.
Our goal is to introduce advanced hearing aid at affordable prices. Our aim is to manufacture 1.5 lakhs of hearing aids this year and expand our business with the latest and innovative solutions.
The company made its mark on the global stage by entering markets in Bangladesh, Nepal, and USA, rapidly expanding its international reach. At India's largest optical expo, Earkart attracted 500 visitors and received 122 franchise applications.
As we expand, our focus remains on making hearing healthcare accessible and affordable for everyone. Earkart is not just an organization, it's a movement that is going to change the face of hearing and hearing aid industry worldwide.
From being an early investor to advisor at Earkart, I feel both proud and privileged to see this idea growing into a public company. Our work is at an intersection of healthcare and technology, bringing hope to millions of lives who would else have not listened what other world around them is talking about.
At Earkart, we believe in excellence through innovation. Every step we take is driven by our commitment in delivering the best solutions and creating meaningful impact. Our journey so far has been incredible, and it's all because of our hard work, passion and dedication of our team and the trust of our valued customers and partners. Together, we are shaping the future.
There's never a dull moment at Earkart. We started with just 3 employees and today we are 50 plus. And soon we are going to be 180 plus with a robust team of super talented and super skilled employees at Earkart.
Guided by visionary leaders Rohit Misra, Monica Misra and Rahul Salesha, and backed by investors like Ashneer Grover, Earkart is on track to become India's largest audiology retail chain by 2026. With innovations like OMNI, a zero CAC model and a growing franchise network, Earkart is poised to redefine the global audiology market, transforming lives and shaping a better tomorrow.
Indeed, it has been a wonderful and a remarkable journey. Now, as we proceed, we would like to welcome our esteemed dignitaries with a bouquet of flowers. For this, I would like to call Mr. Rohit Mishra, Managing Director, Earkart Limited, and request him to welcome Mr. Deepak Sharma, Director, Sarthi Capital Advisors Private Limited. A big round of applause, everybody. Thank you, sir. I would request Ms. Monica Mishra to please come on stage and welcome Mr. Sumit Saxena, Assistant Vice President, BSE. Thank you. We would now begin this auspicious occasion with the lighting of the lamp. For this, I would request Mr. Rohit Mishra, Managing Director, Earkart Limited, and all other dignitaries to please join up on stage.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Now, may I please request Mr. Rohit Mishra, Managing Director, Earkart Limited, to say a few words on this very special occasion.
Thank you, Sakshi, and thank you everyone for making it today for us to be a part of very exciting journey. वो वीडियो देख के ऐसा लगता है किसके बारे में चल रहा था, doesn't feel like me. और all my investors friends, they know, जब भी वो मुझसे मिलते होंगे, they will always find me in a suit. मुझे लगा आज सब लोग सूट पहन के नहीं आएंगे, तो I'll try to blend in by not wearing a suit. And look at me today, I look like the most underdressed guy in the group. बड़ी हिम्मत करके ये हाफ शर्ट पहनी थी. Anyways, so those who have gathered today here are the backbone, the pillar, the support system to the function that I wanted to become in the industry of hearing. All about 28 years that I spent in different companies, it appears that those 28 years were 10% of what I have learned in last 4 years here. In the sense how the industry behaves, how the psyche behaves, how the dynamics of growth behave. They were so different in an organized and multinational structure, जहाँ पर आपके पास बहुत ही solid support system रहता है. यहाँ पर it was a fun journey that I asked Monica to break our FD of about 30 lakhs, and we both sat in the night after dinner as if पता नहीं क्या हो गया, 30 lakh की FD ना break करनी पड़ी हो. But I think we have come a long way from there. And I would say it is not our hard work alone. There is a significant support from our investors, those who are sitting here, coming from all the way from Bombay and other places. Friends coming from different places, and the relatives who have stood behind us, supporting us and not raising too many questions. I think we are lucky. We have been hearing stories कि आप जब investment लेते हो किसी VC से, तो वो हर सुबह, हर हफ्ते आपसे सवाल जवाब करते हैं. I think we are blessed with some of the best venture capitalist world investors on our portfolio. We have only been getting advisors which are critical for us for growth. We have been only getting support and the words of praise and just words of caution कि यहाँ गिर मत जाना. Nobody came us and sat on our head saying, "अरे ये क्या हुआ? तुमने ये report नहीं डाली अभी तक? अभी इस report में इतना कम, इतना ज़्यादा क्यों है?" We have been very lucky. So I would like to thank everybody for being a part of our journey, making us successful. I think this is one step that will define our future. And as we go further from here, I would expect the tangential growth that we were looking at will now start happening from here. So thank you everyone for your support and courage that you have given to us.
Thank you, Mr. Rohit Mishra. Now may I please invite Ms. Monica Mishra to say a few words here.
Good morning, everyone. And it is with immense pride and heartfelt gratitude that I welcome you all to this momentous occasion, the IPO launch and bell-ringing ceremony of Earkart Limited. On behalf of the entire Earkart family, I extend a warm welcome to our own founder and managing director, Mr. Rohit Mishra, our respected merchant banker, Mr. Deepak, dignified member from BSE, Sumit Saxena ji, respected guest, Mrs. Timsi, Mr. Utkarsh from V. Singhi, Mr. Sachin from Singhi Chuk and Kumar, Mr. Sagar from Kiran Advisors, our bankers, PNB and Axis Bank, our legal and compliance team, Vaibhav and Preeti, and our vigilant independent directors, Mr. Rajkumar Jain and Mr. Lakshman Singh. All our visionary investors present here, friends and family who stood with us in our thick and thin, and equally important, Earkart's backbone, our dedicated team, without whom this journey would not have been possible. Today is not just a milestone on a financial calendar. This bell doesn't merely signal the start of trading. It echoes the sound of dreams realized, innovations launched, and impact delivered. As I go down the memory lane, Earkart began its humble journey from a two-room office with a simple and powerful mission to reach the unreached and restore the joy of sound. Trust me, things didn't come easy. Engaging audiologists, service providers from more than 130 cities, building trust and providing prompt services with benefits was very challenging but satisfying. We didn't want to just sell hearing aids. We wanted to deliver audiological services to deserving persons who need a better hearing solution. We answered this through our most advanced remote diagnostic model, OMNI. It brought audiology directly to the patient, whether it's in metros or rural villages. From a passionate startup with 5 people, 2-room office to a 50 Earkartians, we have grown into a national organization with in-house R&D and our manufacturing an ever-growing trust base. Today, we go public, not just with numbers, but with a purpose. As we open this new chapter, our commitment remains clear: to listen, to evolve, and to lead, not just in business, but in making hearing care accessible, affordable, and advanced for all. As I stand in front of you, I realize that an IPO is just like a wedding. Lots of preparation, big expectations, guests in suits, and then the sudden realization, oh, this is just a beginning. Let me leave you with one more final smile. Behind every successful IPO, there is a team that hasn't slept for months and a coffee machine that deserves an equity. Everyone who can hear me today in this hall and those across the globe, launching an IPO is like telling the world, we are ready to grow up, but we still need your pocket money. Thank you all again for being a part of this special day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ms. Monica Mishra. That was some wonderful words. Now may I please invite Mr. Sumit Saxena, Assistant Vice President, BSE, to express his views.
A very good morning to all the promoters, management, stakeholders, employees. I, Sumit Saxena, welcome Earkart to the BSE SME family. Sir, to brief you, from few moments onwards, you are going to create a milestone. And let me tell you, it's not a milestone. It is the trust, the credit-worthiness that you have shown throughout the journey. From few moments onwards, you will be into the eyes of 22 crores of investors. As you were saying, sir, you might be not matching the suits and all that from this hall, but let me tell you, you have outpaced the other companies who are into this domain by getting yourself inculcated into the capital market. From today onwards, you will be into the eyes of 22 crores of investors. From today onwards, you will be in the eyes of the 42 AMCs, the FFIs, the FIs, the HNIs, those who are going to, embark your journey from here onwards. From today onwards, there is going to be a radical shift in the, working style of your company. Just to brief you, sir, till now, you were only responsible for the company, but from today onwards, you will be responsible for the entire investor base that has put in trust in you. So please make sure that due diligence are taken care in course of time. And to brief you, sir, we as in BSC always, keep on strengthening the SME ecosystem. Just to give you a brief data, from till today, we have, 637 companies listed on BSE SME, those who have almost raised 12,000 crores. And the market cap of those companies are around 1,80,000 crores. And just to give you a brief data of last month, September only, we did 17 main board listing, those who have, garnered around 10,000 crores, and 21 SME listing we did. So this is how, we are garnering this ecosystem. So again, from deep of my heart, I again congratulate Earkart to the BSE SME family. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Sumit Saxena. Now may I invite Mr. Deepak Sharma, Director, Sarthi Capital Advisors Private Limited, to say a few words on this very special occasion.
Mr. Rohit, Ms. Monica, Sumit, and all distinguished guests at today morning, a very, very, very good morning. I'm audible? Yes. Otherwise, we have a Earkart to serve. So anyway, it has been a great occasion today, that today we are going to list another star company from our stable. We at Sarthi Capital have been supporting the whole ecosystem of small high growth businesses. We don't call it as a SME, we call it as a small high growth businesses. And it is going to be 110 company through us on both NSE and BSE. So anyway, I think it's a great movement for the promoters, investors, and all of you. And today, Earkart is marking a journey when they are going to print their own currency. So from today, it's not only rupee dollar, it is even Earkart is going to be traded. So this is, I think, the biggest power the management is going to have, that they have their own currency. So every time they don't have to think of breaking their fixed deposit to expand, acquire, or whatever. They can think of exchanging their currency also. So they got a huge, weapon in their artillery to grow. So I think the whole journey, as we have been habitual of doing it, when we picked up Earkart, the things were different. I think all of them, I'm sorry for all those who have gone through little difficult times in the whole process, but as but it was supposed to be like this, Rohitji, because at the end of the day, we have to deliver the assignment properly. And the most difficult part was the IPO dates. As Sumit said, one side, it's a happy time that we can see so many companies coming and opening up the IPOs. Think about the other side on the investor, on the merchant bankers. Trust me, in my career of more than 35 years, I have not seen 58 IPOs opening together in a span of 10 days. That is 20th till 30th. So I don't go out with my wife for shopping because I hate, because for buying one thing, she take out 20 things out from that vendor, right? And here, think about the investor. He has a choice of 58. Not 20, not 10, right? So even the investors were confused what to do, what not to do. But anyway, although the company is excellent, and as I said, that it's another feather in our cap, but yes, the times were tough. Everybody wanted to go through that 10 and 20th and 30th of September. But somehow, we sailed through the IPO, and today is the day when it's going to be listed. And somewhere, Sumit has mentioned, on this occasion, one side it's a privilege and proud, on the other side is the responsibility. So getting listed is making you more responsible, and not only for your own company and employees. There's a new segment which is getting associated with the company, is called investors. So that corporate governance, transparency, all these are the embedded requirements for getting listed. And I'm sure while interacting with the team and the management, they are much, much, much aware of this and capable of it. So with this, I thanks once again all of you to be here and be the part of this historical movement for the company and the management. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Deepak Sharma. Now may I invite Mr. Ajay Giri, Chief Financial Officer of Earkart Limited, to say a few words.
Respected dignitaries, a very good morning to all of you. So today is a very proud and historic moment for all of us at Earkart, as today we mark our listing at BSE SME platform. So as we are celebrating our milestone and informed by Deepak Sharma and BSE official, our responsibility has also increased multifold. So initially we were a private company, and now we are listed company, and our compliance regulations have increased, and so has our commitment. So we are determined to be compliant and have transparency. So Earkart was started in 2021 with a vision to provide affordable and quality hearing aids, and in just 4 years we have grown multifold, and our journey has been incredible in sense as we were profitable from the very beginning, which is a very rare achievement for any startup. And the journey has been very incredible in terms we started our first year with a 5 crore of turnover, and last year we did 43 CR, and I am confident under the mission of Rohit sir and under his guidance, we will continue this growth momentum. So this milestone would not have been possible without the support of our investors, our bankers, and our dedication of employees, the customers and suppliers, and all the professionals who have been involved during this process, including our merchant banker, Team Sarthi, our statutory auditor, Timsey and Associates, our peer review auditor, Singhi, Chug and Kumar, and company secretary, V. Singhi and Associates. So thank you once again to all of you for making this possible and joining us today for this celebration. Thanks once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ajay Giri. Now we proceed further for our presentation of mementos. For that, may I please call Mr. Rohit Mishra, Managing Director, Earkart Limited, Mr. Deepak Sharma, Sarthi Capital Advisors Private Limited. Mr. Sumit Saxena, Assistant Vice President, BSE. May I please call Ms. Monica Mishra, Director, Earkart Limited, for further presentations. To Mr. Virendra Rana, Skyline Financial Services Private Limited. Rikhav Securities, Market Maker to the issue. On that behalf, I would invite Ms. Preeti to please take the award. Mr. Manoj Saini for Credent Global. Mr. Sagar from Kiran Advisors, Public Relations. May I please invite Mr. Rahul Salesha, Executive Director, Earkart Limited, for further presentations. From Punjab National Bank. Axis Bank Limited, banker to the issue. May I please invite Mr. Ajay Giri, CFO, Earkart Limited, for further presentations. Timsey Sharma and Associates, Statutory Auditor to the issue. A big round of applause. V. Singhi and Associates, Company Secretaries to the issue. Singhi, Chug and Kumar, Peer Review Auditor to the issue. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving towards the moment we have all been waiting for.
I'm going to use the rest of the time to invite three of our very strong pillars to speak few words about us, good or bad. Ashish sir, may I have you here on the stage, followed by Prashant sir and of course Ankit sir. पहले आशीष सर आप हमारी तारीफ और बुराई जो भी कह सकें कर दीजिए. मैंने अपने हिस्से की ईमानदारी रखी, पेपर सही से रखा था मैंने.
Good morning everyone. Rohit, Monica, heartiest congratulations. And I go back to the first time that we had met, and it's hard to miss the intent and the integrity. There was always that willingness to be sharing. There was always that zeal that, okay, you are a company with a larger vision. You have started off, but so what? We have our vision backing us, and we are going to be out there making a point. It is very easy to get caught up in flashy headlines where we talk about startups funding with a few hundreds of $1 million from big investors and talk about the conventional path. But Bloom में हमने हमेशा ये कोशिश की है कि जो अनकन्वेंशनल पाथ होते हैं उनको छोड़ा ना जाए. एंड बहुत कम फाउंडर्स होते हैं जो वो गम्शन रखते हैं, who are going to be super convinced that this is not a perfect path where एक बार एक VC आया, फिर बड़ा VC आएगा, फिर प्राइवेट इक्विटी आएगा. वो फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था रोहित और मोनिका को. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट टू मी डिफरेंशिएट्स. In fact, for this section of the crowd, of this universe of founders who are unconventional, we have a series which is published, which is called X-Unicorns. Unicorns in the VC world are those rare companies which are worth $1 billion, but are really worth and have charted their path using unconventional means. And I am believing that all of you are on that path too, as Earkart. We genuinely believe that this is going to be a journey which will be as thrilling as we have had with some of the other portfolio companies. I will not take too much of time. We have to race against the reverse clock which will start, so I will make way for others to come in. But I'm definitely convinced, Rohit, that we are on for a bigger path. Thank you.
Well, hi everyone, good morning. My name is Ankit Bangar. I'm representing here from G2Win Ventures. First of all, a big congratulations to the Earkart team. It's been a great, significant achievement all the way through here. And a lot of you can mention, right, it's not been an easy journey, it never is. But we are here. I won't take a lot of time, but one thing I do want to call on through my interaction with Rohit and the Earkart team, and I think Monica, you referred to as well, right? So one of the things as we kind of working with Rohit and the team was the passion through which the Earkart was built, and a lot of our conversations, right, were never on kind of financials and kitna banega, kitna margin hai, ye. It was really the passion, the understanding of the market and how big this market is, what will it take for the company to kind of get there. And that conversation, that passion through which there is kind of really making a significant milestone and difference in people's lives is what we saw in this team, to really care about the product and actually land it to the people who need it. Everything else, the profit and the margin and everything else comes along with it. I want the team to continue with that passion. There will be much bigger due diligence and everything else kind of going listing does, but keep that passion, keep that determination, keep that customer-centric mindset, and I think we'll all do well, and we really support you in the entire journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Sir.
Good morning, everyone. So we got onto the Earkart journey very early, I would say, and we generally invest early stage, so at agility. So we, trust a lot on our intuition about the founder. But Rohit sir ke saath ye tha ki I think from day one we invested. Why I'm calling him Rohit sir, because that respect comes from my heart. Considering whatever corporate background he had, I think from day one he was very open to suggestions, very open to whatever we could say as investors, as early stage investors. So कभी ये नहीं आया कि भाई मुझे पता है तुम ठीक है तुमने एक चेक डाला है, that's okay. But that openness to learn and move forward in this industry. I remember our conversations at Starbucks, CP sir, that was when he was deciding whether to go to the IPO route or go for another VC round. Yesterday I was watching this reel, a long video in fact, where the scene is where Ravan is dying and Lakshman is seeking knowledge from him and in his last moments. And one thing that he said was कि लक्ष्य एक होता है, उसके पहुंचने के मार्ग अनेक हो सकते हैं. So मतलब लक्ष्य एक होगा, दो नहीं हो सकते, और मार्ग जो है वो एक नहीं होता, वो कई हो सकते हैं. So I think the team here, I believe, has explored all ways to take the company forward. But in that journey, I would say, again, few experiences that they were so clear about the Laksh that when they got certain opportunities in the meantime, which could derail, their focus from the Laksh, I think they were very clear of saying no to those opportunities, and that really brought a lot of confidence to us as investors. Yeah. All the best for your journey, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've been waiting for, or as Monica ma'am said, wedding Muhurat. So please, I invite everybody on stage near the gong. Monica ma'am to be on stage. May I please call Mr. Ajay Giri, Chief Financial Officer for Earkart Limited. Thank you, Ajay sir. May I please call Ms. Preeti Srivastava, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of Earkart Limited. May I please call Mr. Rohit Mishra, Managing Director Earkart Limited, to give his vote of thanks.
सबसे आखिरी में आयो, फोटो खिंचवा के जाना। बहुत डर लग रहा था जब वो स्क्रीन आने वाली थी। 4 दिन से सिर्फ यही देख रहा हूँ कि जो भी आईपीओ खुल रहा है वो नीचे वाले सर्किट पे जा रहा है। तो मैंने पहले ही बोल रखा था इनको कि जैसे ही दिखाई पड़े बंद कर देना। सिर्फ वो फॉर्मेलिटी तो करनी है कि बस लिस्ट हो गया, फोटो खींच लो, बंद कर देना। बट देन दीपक भाई सेड कि तुम्हारा सर्किट लग गया ऊपर का। सो आई थिंक किस्मत अच्छी है। थैंक यू। तो मैंने कहा और 1 मिनट चलने दे, क्या पता और भी कुछ अच्छा हो जाए। बट वापस से एक बार फिर वही दोहराना चाहता हूँ जिसके साथ शुरुआत करी थी। हृदय से बहुत आभारी हूँ, आपका कृतज्ञ हूँ, और इस बात की प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ कि हमेशा हर वो काम जो कंपनी की परफॉर्मेंस के लिए अच्छा होगा वही करूँगा, ताकि आपने जो इन्वेस्टमेंट करके एक भरोसा जताया है उस भरोसे के ऊपर खरा उतर सकूँ। मार्केट क्या कहेगा मुझे पता नहीं, बट द कंपनीज रिजल्ट्स विल ऑलवेज से एक्सेप्शनल रिजल्ट्स। That's what I promise, and thank you everyone for making it. Thank you everyone for supporting us and trusting us.
Thank you, Rohit sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here with the end of the ceremony here. May I please request everyone to go outside for the refreshments and have a great day ahead. Thank you.